My dad does not live with me, so it's a little bit harder for him just to come and look at something wrong with my car if I need him to. So he got me this ANCEL L5000 diagnostic detector. It is going to detect leaks, and if you have other car problems, this will help. It comes with everything you need, so you don't have to go and buy anything or have extra tools. Another really cool thing about this is that it comes with a ton of extra attachments. So you have some funnels, you have a pump, and then a bunch of other stuff. It's super simple to set up. All you have to do is connect it to your battery and it's going to shoot power. One thing that you will need is some type of oil. I just used a baby oil, and all you're gonna do, and it has an oil filter right here, as you can see right there, and then this is just the hose. So I'm just gonna take this off right here, and I have the hose right here. Okay, so all you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna unravel your hose. Make sure that you have enough baby oil in here as well. You can stick this in your exhaust. You can stick it right here where I have it. What I'm gonna do is just show you that there is smoke coming out and a little bit how this works. All you're gonna do is make sure that you plug in the power cord to the box, turn it on, make sure that your oil is in there. That is a big key factor. And then you're just going to press the power button, turn it on, and then it has all kinds of different settings. So I just have it on the high smoke and for my car. And now I'm just going to press start. I don't know if you can hear that, but there is air coming out. It's a little bit harder to see, so I'm just gonna bring you over here. As you can see, there's that smoke, so that's going to be what detects the leak. You can put this anywhere. I don't need to put this anywhere because I've used this so many times. So now that you can clearly see the smoke and everything, this is just going to be what detects the leak. And like I said, you can put this in your exhaust, but having this machine has helped me out a lot, especially since my dad is no longer here and I'm a girl. So I know that if I can use this, then you definitely will be able to. I'm not the brightest of the bunch, but this truly has helped me and saved me lots of money. So if you're looking for something that you can use at home, and at home leak detector right here, this is definitely a good choice. I'm Kenzie, and I'll see you next time.